Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on quadratic equation. It is given that f of x is the same thing as 3x squared minus 12x plus 12, and f of x is the same thing as 3. Now we have to find the value of x. Now if f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 12x plus 12, and the same f of x is equal to 3, obviously my 3x squared minus 12x plus 12 is same thing as 3. Now I can collect like terms, so that 3x squared minus 12x plus 12 minus 3 equals 0. So that this is 3x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 0. Now we can use any of the methods to solve this quadratic equation. You can use graphs, you can use factorization method, but the best is, and the easiest I think for here, is to use factorization method. If you look at this, this is 3x squared using factorization method plus 9. Then, and if you look at these factors again, I can easily change this to minus 3x minus 9x. Minus 3x minus 9x will give minus 12x, and minus times minus here is plus, so it will also equals to 27x squared, which this defaults to, that's equals to 27x squared. So I can substitute this in place of 12. Now, in case you don't understand factorization method for solving quadratic equations, we have a detailed lesson on that. I will attach that in the description below. So that this is 3x squared minus 3x minus 9x plus 9 equals 0. So I can bring my factor of 3x here. Here I'll be left with x squared minus 1. Then minus 9 here. X again, 9 comes out. This will change to minus 1 equals 0. So that 3x minus 9 equals 0. No, this is x, not x squared. This is x. And x minus 1 equals 0. Call this 1, equation 1. Call this equation 2. So that from 1, I can say that my 3x minus 9 is equals to 0. 3x is equals to 9. X obviously is equals to 9 over 3. X is equals to 3. Then from 2 to x minus 1 is equals to 0. Obviously x is equals to 1. So we can conclude that x is equals to 3 or is equals to 1. With this, I hope you understood I solved this quadratic equation. I'll be glad to share your comment with us in the comment section. Thank you.